Welcome to Learn Python with Moise. I'm Moise and I'm here to help you guys get yours started with your Python programming. Python is a popular and beginner-friendly programming language. It's used for web development, data science, automation, and more. Today we'll get you set up so you can start coding right away. Let's dive in. First things first, go to python.org on your web browser. This is where you'll download your Python files. Then go to Downloads, and in case of Windows, click that button. Mac has its own section and Linux is at the bottom of other platforms. I'm on Windows, so I'll download this. Now once the download is complete, open the installer. This is the installer. And make sure to click the box that says add python.exe to path. It's very important. Then click Install Now. The installation has completed. You can verify the installation by opening up a command prompt or terminal and typing in python version. And if it's successful, you'll get a number like this over there. Next, we need to install an IDE or an integrated development environment. Some major IDEs include PyCharm, Atom, and VS Code. We'll be using VS Code. Now, to install VS Code, go to code.vscode Visual Studio, visualstudio.com, and simply download for Windows, other platforms. I already have VS Code, so now once you've installed it, let's explore its features. Alright, let's dive into VS Code. When you open it, this is what you see. Let's break down the different parts. First, we have the activity bar on the left. This lets you switch between different views such as Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and Extensions. I'll talk more about them in future videos. Using the File button at the top left corner, you can open files and folders. Edit allows you to do commands such as cut, copy, and paste, and more. And the last one you really need to know is terminal. It allows you to open a terminal. You'll be needing to use terminals for your future programs. Now, in the next video, we'll make our first program and execute it in VS Code. Please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.